2017 Topps Chrome Hobby personal box for Luke W. 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, and 10. Number 6. Did you open it? Let's see. Probably not, huh? Nice stuff. We just did a jumbo. I don't know if you saw it. We just pulled a red refractor auto out of 5, Joe Panic, in a jumbo personal. All right, Lukey Luke, good luck. Nunez, rookie. There is our first auto. It's Rob Seguin. Rookie auto, wrong Dodger. Rob Seguin, wrong Dodger. Moncada, rookie. Couple left in the filler if big game comes back in. JD Martinez on the Prism. Kyle Hendricks Prism. Nolan Arenado, 87 Topps. Trout. Oh, that green? Nice. That is a green refractor of Mikey Trout out of 99. Sweet. Green Trout out of 99. Luke, you scared everybody away. For Topps Chrome, yeah, I guess Seager in search. Where the heck did everybody go? I thought we were going to get that filler off, and then I was going to take a few more teams and we are going to break that freaking Spectre case. But now the big game's not in the room. I don't know if that's going to happen. Zach Britton refractor. Selman rookie. Josh Bell rookie. Christian Arroyo on the rookie insert. Hernandez on the Prism. You know? '87 Topps, Carlos Correa insert. Felix Hernandez refractor. Jock Peterson Prism. Chris Sale refractor. Corey Seager, 87 Topps, and Mickey Cabrera on the purple. Out of 299 on the Mickey. Then and Now, refractor, Trevor Story. Freddie Freeman, refractor. Yeah, no doubt. Jacoby Jones, rookie. Manny Margot. Alex Reyes, Prism, rookie. Ryan Healy, rookie. Wow. 2 packs to go. What? Could it be? Really? Did I miss it? Bregman, rookie. So you're going to have a bad taste in your mouth already. Alright, let's go back through here. You know where I thought it was that Trevor Story Then and Now card. But it wasn't there. Because I just pulled that red auto, and that's how it was. It was missing from the card part. Alright, so on these cards, unless they forgot it, I don't see it now though. It's not numbered or anything. On these cards, the card is supposed to have the auto, except for when it has a real auto. At least when I pulled that red one on the last box a couple minutes ago, the real auto was right here, and the other auto was removed from there. So I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be. Let's see here, in case we missed it. I guess you would have seen it though if I missed it. You gotta be kidding me. No, I'm giving you another box. It's annoying. I'm annoyed. I think you're right, but maybe there'll be 3 in this one for you. Rizzo, Ryan Healy, blue. Ryan Healy, blue is out of 150 on the rookie. I think I'm more annoyed than you are. Jake Arrieta, Todd Frazier on the negative refractor. Because Topps just cost me $1.20. Now I'm gonna send a bunch of wrappers in a box in and be like, dude, send me one of your garbage autos. And I have it on video. Nolan Arenado is a Prism. Inciarte refractor. No, I know, you're right. Definitely right about that. This is definitely true. Matt Carpenter refractor. Kershaw insert. I gotta sit back a little further. Ty Block. And I just sold his auto at a tier 1 that I had. It was like $7 or $8. But it definitely went to his mother or some relative. It was a Mary Block that I sold it to. Benintendi on the 87 Topps. I know, right? I just pay attention to it now because I know, especially if it's like a weird name, like a, you know, I don't know. Sometimes I just notice it. Xander Bogaerts refractor. Will Myers refractor. No more Mazzara refractor. That's a Rangers box back there. That's your buddy. That's your Rangers guy, Mazzara. If there's not another auto in this box, I'm going to lose my mind. This is the one that you get tricked on. You see what happens there? So that's the then and now, how it looks when it's not out of, you know. Josh Bell, Prism rookie. Well, yeah, man, you guys got rid of Darvish, and oh, there he is, Bellinger. There's Mr. Bellinger for you, rookie. But I love Beltre. I can't imagine he can leave though. You think he can leave? He must have said no, don't trade me. Probably wants to end his career there. I mean, how could he go anywhere else right now? Love that he got his 3,000s. And you know what? I love seeing all the videos that have been floating around on Facebook, just like him having a good time and messing with all his buddies across the league and stuff. He just seems like a fun, good dude. I've always liked Beltre. Underrated too. There it is. Tyler Austin, and it's a color auto. Out of 250 for the Yankees, not too bad. Purple. Tyler Austin, purple rookie auto out of 250. Not great, but that Bellinger base card should be worth $15 or more. Sometimes these boxes have two. They'll have like an insert. They'll have a judge. Addison Russell. Maeda Prism. Center guard, that is green. Out of 99. Look at him riding the riding the thing too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Fowler refractor. Yeah, I mean, he wouldn't want to. You wouldn't think he'd want to go anywhere else. But if they have no chance to win, then it's kind of hard. Wilson Contreras refractor. Last pack. And I'm literally going to be messaging Topps, putting a claim in. That is it. Thank you, sir. Sorry about the mix-up, but got a whole other box for you out of it.